This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Jesse Hudson. Absolutely adorable. Fresh paint, tons of natural light, and an open floor plan make this 2-bedroom home peaceful and perfect. Updates include new Hardie plank siding / shingle siding, 30-year architectural shingles, hot water heater, oil pressure tank, mini split system, fresh paint, Acacia engineered hardwood flooring, windows, interior / exterior doors, all new appliances including LG stackable washer and dryer, cabinets, counters, and a new septic system in 2021. Home features new 200 amp underground electrical service and has a concrete pad for parking a camper / RV, could easily add hookups. For more information, review the details below.